Using the rural electrification program of the 1970s as an example, we will intensify the thrust to bring broadband internet to every household in Jamaica. Every household. That is our goal. It will create new vistas of opportunity for our people. Jamaicans at home will be able to earn from jobs even based abroad. Entrepreneurs will be able to market and distribute their goods and services via online platforms. Opportunities in education will be opened up to Jamaicans from institutions learning all over the world. The expansion of digital channels is the way of the present and of the future, and we will not let Jamaica be left behind. Broadband internet for every household Jamaica is our goal, and that is where we will be going.